Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you some proven natural recipes that can help in turning your gray hair into black naturally. These recipes are made with simple, easily accessible ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. And the best part is they are 100% natural, which means they don't have any side effects. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing health and beauty videos. Also, please keep watching till the end because each of these remedies is unique and powerful in its own way. You never know which one might work best for you. So let's dive in and discover the secrets of transforming gray hair into black naturally. Amla or Indian gooseberry is an excellent natural remedy for premature graying of hair. Amla is rich in antioxidants and natural pigments called melanocytes, which nourish the hair follicles and prevent the premature graying of hair. It also stimulates hair growth and prevents hair loss. The easiest way to use amla for gray hair is to make a mask by crushing a few amla berries and applying them directly to your hair. You can also consume amla juice or powder regularly to get its benefits. To make a mask, take fresh amla berries, wash them thoroughly, remove the seeds and crush the berries into a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your hair, focusing on the gray areas. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let the mask sit for 1 hour before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow this treatment once a week for best results. If you don't want to make a mask, you can also consume amla on a regular basis. You can drink a glass of amla juice daily or add amla powder to your meals. This will help improve your overall health and strengthen your hair follicles. Curry leaves are another effective natural remedy for gray hair because they contain high levels of iron and antioxidants that can improve blood circulation to the scalp and prevent premature graying of hair. They also stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. One of the simplest ways to use curry leaves for gray hair is to make a tea and consume it regularly. Take a handful of fresh curry leaves, boil them in water for 10 to 15 minutes and strain the leaves. Drink this tea twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Another way to use curry leaves is to make a mask. Take about 20 to 25 fresh curry leaves, wash them thoroughly, remove the stems and mash the leaves into a fine paste. Apply this paste to your hair and leave it in for 1 hour before rinsing. Follow this treatment once a week for best results. Consuming curry leaf tea or using curry leaf mask can help improve the health of your hair and reduce the appearance of gray hair. Fenugreek is a powerful herb that has been used for centuries for its health and beauty benefits. For gray hair, fenugreek can be a game changer. It contains high levels of B vitamins, iron and protein, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy hair. The B vitamins in fenugreek help to nourish the hair follicles, while the iron helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp. Protein, on the other hand, is essential for hair growth and strength. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use fenugreek for gray hair is to make a mask. Soak a spoonful of fenugreek seeds in warm water for about 30 minutes. Then grind the seeds into a paste using a mortar and pestle or a blender. Apply this paste to your hair, focusing on the gray areas, and leave it in for 1 to 2 hours before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. In addition to the mask, you can also consume fenugreek regularly to get its benefits. Fenugreek oil can be consumed orally to nourish your hair from the inside out. You can also add fenugreek seeds to your meals. Whether you are looking for an easy and effective way to combat gray hair or just want to give your hair a natural boost, fenugreek is definitely worth trying. With its wealth of essential nutrients and long history of use, it's no wonder that fenugreek is becoming a popular choice for those seeking natural hair care solutions. Coconut oil is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries for its various health and beauty benefits. One of its most notable benefits is its ability to improve hair health, particularly for those with gray hair. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that help nourish and strengthen the hair follicles, leading to thicker, stronger hair. Additionally, coconut oil can help prevent hair loss and damage, making it an excellent choice for those who are experiencing excessive shedding or breakage. One of the simplest ways to use coconut oil for gray hair is to massage it into the scalp. This helps to improve blood circulation to the area and promote healthy hair growth. To do this, start by warming up a small amount of coconut oil in a bowl until it becomes liquid. Then use your fingers to massage the oil into your scalp for a few minutes. You can also use coconut oil as a hair mask to deeply condition and nourish your hair. To do this, apply the coconut oil to your hair and scalp and cover it with a shower cap. Let the mask sit for at least 1 hour before rinsing it out with a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Incorporating coconut oil into your hair care routine can help improve the overall health and appearance of your hair, leaving it smoother, shinier, and more resilient. Onion juice has recently gained popularity as a natural remedy for gray hair due to its high concentration of sulfur, which helps to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. It also contains antioxidants and vitamins that can help nourish the hair follicles and improve blood circulation to the scalp. To use onion juice for gray hair, simply extract the juice from half a red onion and rub it into your scalp and hair. Leave it in for 30 minutes to an hour before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water and washing your hair with a mild shampoo. You can also mix onion juice with olive oil or coconut oil and apply it to your hair as a mask. This can help to deeply condition your hair and improve its overall health. While onion juice may not turn gray hair back into its original color, it can help to stimulate hair growth and improve the appearance of your hair. However, it's important to note that onion juice has a strong odor, so you may want to wear a hat to cover up while it's in your hair. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, which can help promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Rosemary oil, in particular, has been shown to be effective in stimulating hair growth and improving overall hair health. To use rosemary oil for gray hair, simply add a few drops of the oil to a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil, and massage it into your scalp. You can also mix rosemary oil with water and spray it on your hair as a leave-in conditioner. In addition to its potential benefits for gray hair, rosemary oil is also thought to help alleviate dandruff, a common scalp condition that can cause flakes and itching. Overall, rosemary oil is a versatile and potentially beneficial addition to any hair care routine. Amla, curry leaves, fenugreek, coconut oil, and onion juice are just a few of the natural remedies that can help with gray hair. Each of these remedies has its own unique benefits, and it is important to try different ones to see what works best for you. In addition to these remedies, it's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, which includes eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress levels. By taking care of your overall health, you can help promote healthy hair growth and reduce the appearance of gray hair. Remember that while these natural remedies can be helpful, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your hair or scalp health. With patience and consistency, you may be able to achieve your desired results and maintain beautiful, healthy hair. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Have a beautiful day.